Most businesses are stuck in a cycle of expensive guesswork. They think they have a revenue strategy in place, but growth is stalled and they don't know why. Or they think their business operations are going pretty smoothly, but their data is a mess, or their handoffs are black holes, or they just simply can't seem to find a rhythm. If any of that sounds familiar, what you need is a thorough diagnostic. I'm talking an in-depth, let's get under the hood and really figure out what's going on here kind of examination of your business from start to finish. In implementing RevOps 201, Revenue Diagnostic Mapping and Benchmarking, that is exactly what I teach you how to do. In this course, we are moving past the fundamentals and we're getting our hands dirty with the actual work of RevOps, the implementation. Throughout these 6 classes, I'm walking you through what we here at Rev Partners call the Revenue Engine Diagnostic, an extensive, top-to-bottom examination of your revenue journey across 5 critical pillars: the go-to-market survey, revenue mapping, an experience audit, benchmarking, and creating a strategic roadmap. We start with the GTM survey, where we capture your business goals and align every department on unified definitions. Then we move into revenue mapping, the act of physically tracing the path of every single dollar as it moves throughout your teams and processes. In the experience audit, we put ourselves in the shoes of our customers and prospects, and we examine every inch of our business from the lens of a new user. And then we benchmark the data so we have a trusted starting point and comprehensive, tailored reporting that matches your company goals and metrics. Finally, we wrap it all up by taking everything we learned from the first 4 steps and building out a strategic roadmap to growth. We're removing the guesswork, we're moving away from reactive and into proactive, and we are becoming revenue architects of real, tangible growth. You'll walk away from this course with templates, examples, and absolute clarity in how to implement a solid RevOps strategy and transform a chaotic revenue engine into a predictable machine.